Matagumpay ang isinagawang International Influential Icons Global Hero Awards 2026 na kinomisyon ng Global Guild of Influential Leaders Awards Incorporated na ginanap sa Okada, Manila, March 29, 2026. Umaabot sa 86 na matatagumpay na entrepreneur, influential persons at educators, leaders ang pinagkalooban ng parangal sa iba't ibang kategorya. Sa opening remarks ni Dr. Christian Simeon Castillo, founder ng GGILAI, binigyang din ito ng leadership ay hindi tungkol sa paghingi ng katapatan. Kaugnay mo nito sa pagdadagdag ng halaga at pagbibigay ng pabuya at pagbibigay ng halaga sa iba at pananalig. Sa mga awardee naman umano, hindi lamang sila basta tumayo sa stage para tanggapin ang recognition, kundi ang pagbibigay ng higit, isang mensahe, isang layunin. Binati rin ito ang lahat ng awardee.
Leadership is not about demanding a loyalty. It is more about adding value by lifting others and emulations of the desirable actions and convictions. To our dear awardees, as you stand here on the stage, it is not just to accept your recognition, but to offer something more, a message, a goal, a purpose, or perhaps a few reminders that I hope will resonate in us as we step that lies ahead. To evolve with conviction, several situations and circumstances from which our experiences.
Ayon naman kay Trade Commissioner Dr. Desiderio Apag, ang parangal na nakamit ng awardee resulta ng mga taon ng kanilang pagsisikap, tahimik na sakripisyo, mahirap na desisyon at commitment na sumulong kahit ang landas ay hindi madali at ang bawat pagkilala ay hindi lamang gantimpala kundi panawagan na gumawa ng mas mabuti.
It is the result of years of effort, quiet sacrifices, difficult decisions, and a continuous commitment to move forward even when the path is not easy. And that every recognition is not only a reward, but a call to do more.
Binigyang din dito ang kahalagahan ng liderato. Nagbigay naman ng kanyang intermission si Dr. Eric Sapanta. Maging ang mga evaluator ay nagbigay dito ng paabot ng kanilang mga mensahe. Bago ang pag-abot ng sertipiko ng parangal, nanumpa ang mga opisyal at mga bagong awardee ng GGILAI na pinangunahan ni Ms. Cathy Gianco Curtis, long-time awardee at founder-owner ng Renaissance School of Science and Technology.
I, Cathy Gianco Curtis, stand humbly before the Global Guild of Influential Leaders Awards Incorporated. I am deeply honored to receive this recognition, not merely as a personal accolade, but as an affirmation of service, unwavering dedication to organization, and meaningful impact. Therefore, I solemnly pledge to uphold the legacy of excellence that this award embodies my actions that will be deemed proper, legal, and certain to continue to inspire growth.
Kabilang sa binigyan ng parangal sa naturang event ang 13 opisyal at educators ng Renaissance School of Science and Technology sa Morong Rizal, kabilang sina Mr. Reynaldo M. Lipio Jr., educator ng RSST, na ginawaran ng Awards of Excellence for Global Leadership in Educational Sector 2026. Mr. Lan Alexis Francisco, educator ng RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Award of Excellence for Dynamic Leadership and Organizational Growth. Mr. Hero Pagalunan Francisco, Marketing ng RSST na ginawaran ng Global Awards of Excellence in Media Communications and Public Influence 2026. Dr. Marite C. A. Vicente, College Dean, RSST na nagkamit ng Global Awards of Excellence in School Governance and Academic Management. Marjeline Ann Lugto, educator ng RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Awards of Excellence for Strategic Leadership and Corporate Innovation. Dr. Nelson S. Gonzalez, School President, RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Award of Excellence for Lifelong Contribution and Academic Mentorship. Miss Veronica Raimundo, educator ng RSST na ginawaran ng Global Award of Excellence as Academic Administrator for Inclusive Pedagogy Leadership. Miss Florence Adriatico, educator, RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Award of Excellence as Outstanding Educator and Curriculum Innovator Leader. Miss Lilibet Condes, educator ng RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Award of Excellence as Trainer and Educational Development Leader. Dr. Ruli P. De Los Poyos, educator ng RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Award of Excellence in Strategic Vision and Educational Leadership. Miss Lovelyn Montealegre, educator ng RSST na pinagkalooban ng Global Award of Excellence in Transformational Leadership and Education. Miss Cathy Gianco Cartis, founder, owner ng multiple organization at school na ginawaran ng Global Award of Excellence as Outstanding Educational Mentor and Distinguished Academic Catalyst 2026. Siya humakot ng 4 na awards sa iba't ibang kategorya. Mr. John Ansel Baruel, educator ng RSST na ginawaran ng Global Award in System Management and Operational Strategy 2026. Ang taunang pagbibigay ng parangal ay naglalayong maka-impluwensya sa iba at mas mapalakas ang commitment sa pagtataguyod ng huwarang pamumuno para sa isang maunlad na lipunan. Ang paggagawad ng prestihiyosong parangal ay sinasagawa ng Global Guild of Influential Leaders Awards Incorporated hindi lamang sa mga Pilipino na nakagampan ng katangi-tanging galing sa pamumuno, kundi maging sa iba't ibang bansa. Felix Tambongco, The Observer News, DWRB 103.9 News FM. Ikaw ang una.